Hey guys, what's up? It's Abby. Today I'm coming to you with another hair tutorial. This is a hairstyle I do when my hair is extremely kind of gross, dirty. So I feel like washing my hair is a chore, so I will push it off until the last possible second. So this is a hairstyle when my hair is at the end of its rope and it's been probably about a week and it's super gross, full of dry shampoo. So this is what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna teach you how to do this low bun tutorial when you're in a crunch. It takes 2 seconds and you'll be out of the house in no time. So let's get this started. Start off this look, dry shampoo, dry shampoo, dry shampoo. Okay, so I'm just gonna spritz this at my roots and just kind of rub it in just to take care of some of that oil. Honestly, my hair is beyond saving of dry shampoo. That's how bad it is. But you know, we're just gonna roll with it today. Next up, we're gonna take a regular old hairband. This is blonde. I just don't like it where you can see the hairband. I'm gonna turn to the side so you guys can see. Put your hair all in the back. Brush it back and kind of make a low ponytail to the side. I always make my low bun where my part is, just so my part goes into the bun. Okay, now I'm gonna lightly pull out some wispies here in the front, just enough to make it look kind of more tousled and pretty. Not much. Okay, take my hairband. You're gonna make a low, messy bun. Doesn't have to be pretty. Now take your hands and just kind of pull out. And pull out on the hair. Play with the bun, tighten it up, mess it up. Pull out the bottom strings of hair and kind of fluff it up. Just like that. Okay? Now, I know that looks kind of bad right now and it kind of looks kind of gross. Now we're going to take some bobby pins. Okay, so I've got 4 bobby pins right here, okay? I'm going to take this and lightly wrap it around. With your fingers, you don't want it to be too like tight. So let me show you. So if you do it too tight like this, I feel like it looks, I mean, it looks okay, but I like it to look a little bit more effortless and more, you know, pretty. So lightly wrap it, take your first bobby pin and weave it in and out. And push that into the hair. Okay. Now take what's underneath, wrap it around again, the hair that's underneath, bobby pin, okay. Anything that you don't like about the bun, just kind of play with. I kind of like some hair falling out, you know, but if it feels like it's too much, I take one more. Just kind of stick it in the bun. Just like that. Okay. And you just kind of play with it. Make it kind of messy. And I like it where my hair is pulled out. Okay. Just really simple. If you still feel, you just kind of play with it until you feel like you love it. I like some hair sticking out, but I feel like there's a fine line between sticking out and too messy. All right, now this is it without me doing anything. Very simple, easy to do. And then normally when my hair is this dirty, I will throw on my favorite hat from Target. Super cute, especially with this bun. And then I will throw on some statement earrings to take away from the fact that my hair is so dirty. And there you have it. Now I will wear this hairstyle to a bunch of different things. I will wear this out anywhere. I love this hat. I wear it a lot. So if you see me in this hat out in public, you know my hair is stupid dirty. So there you have it, guys. This is my beauty tutorial for you this week. And if you like me and feel like washing your hair is a chore, you're welcome. This hairstyle will save you a lot of time and a lot of effort on your part. So bye, guys. I hope you have a great week.